most profitable niche. What is a niche? If you are going to be successful on this YouTube platform, you need a niche. And today I'm going to be talking about a niche, what's a niche, and what are the high paying niche on this platform. My name is Maxwell and this is MBS TV. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, I want you to do that now. I want you to hit that subscribe button, like, share, and leave a comment so that when I post next time, you can receive this notification. You know, it takes a lot to be successful here on YouTube. Your dedication, consistency, hard work, whatever. But withstanding all those, you need a niche. What is a YouTube niche? Or what is a niche? A niche is something that you bring to this YouTube platform. It is true that all other platforms pay for content creation or whatever you do. They pay you, you get some income, you get some revenue, like Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and also here on YouTube. Now, YouTube, if you can do YouTube well, if you can really do YouTube well with all these things I'm talking about, I tell you that you are going to be successful on YouTube. But with all those withstanding, with the hard work, focus, consistency, withstanding, you need a niche. What is a niche? A niche is something that you are doing. Your niche can be food recipe, your niche can be car, your niche can be review, your niche can be reaction videos, your niche can be gym instruction, your niche can be vlog, your niche can be education, your niche can be whatsoever, and that is a niche. Now, all these niches, like all these things that I'm talking about, you may think that everyone earns the same amount of money on YouTube, but I tell you that is a big lie. Not every content creator earns the same amount. You can get the same 1,000 views, I can get the same 1,000 views, but you'll be so surprised that what you are making on your 1,000 views is more than what I am making on a 1,000 view. Why? This is because of the niche. You can be on this platform and all you are doing is food recipe. You are teaching people how to cook, how to prepare delicious food, or you are a gym instructor. I mean, if you want to get a big chest, do this, that is what you are doing. Or you are reviewing products, reviewing electronic gadgets, or you are doing content, you are doing movie, you are doing short skits, or you are doing video games. Whatsoever that you are into on this platform, that is your niche. And I am saying that if you are going to be successful on this platform, you need a particular niche. You know, many times people just hear the thing that, oh, YouTube pays. When you're on YouTube, when you're posting things online, you get payment. So people rush into it without carefully calculating. And you see that when the person comes on the platform, the account is being created. Today he posts this, another day he's posting that, another time he's posting that. If you do that, what is going to happen is that your videos can never get views. Why? Because YouTube works with algorithms. Once you keep posting, YouTube is just going to suggest your videos, recommend your videos, because on this platform YouTube there are groups of audience. There are some kind of category of audience. They come to YouTube just to come and watch food recipe. There are another group of audience on this platform. They are interested in comedy, film stuffs. There are other people on this platform. They are interested in gym, bodybuilding, all those kind of stuff. And there are also other people on this platform. They are just looking for how to make money online. So if you pick any of these niches, what is going to happen is that, for instance, if I am a food recipe person, maybe I do food recipe, I talk about food stuff, YouTube is automatically going to pick my videos and suggest it to people in that category, people that are searching for food, how to cook, how to YouTube will push my videos to them. That's why usually when you are watching a particular video, let's say for instance you come on YouTube and you type how to drink water, you are going to see that YouTube automatically, as you are watching one video which is already showing you how to drink water, YouTube is going to bring you other related videos from different creators on that same topic. And that is what YouTube platform does with your niche. So if you come on this platform and you pick one niche, it's a guarantee that you are going to be successful. Now, there is no criteria, like no rule that just have one niche. No, you can have as many, but to be successful, you need 1 or 2 or 3 related niches to help the YouTube algorithm to know who to recommend your videos to. But if you're on this platform and today you are talking about football, tomorrow you are talking about food, another day you are a gym instructor, you are vlogging, you are doing something, you are reviewing the product, you see that the algorithm doesn't really know what to do. Should I send to this person? What at all are you doing? So you need a niche. So I've just explained a niche to you. Now I'm going to share with you top 10 most profitable niches. Now there are many things you can do on YouTube. Maybe you are new on this platform, you are looking out for what to do. My simple advice to you is that watch somebody, watch something, pick a niche, watch people that are doing that same niche. What's the response? How are people reviewing? Another thing that you should be interested in is the CPM.